another day, another hike, actually 2 hikes, and 3 waterfalls, starting with Waterfalls.
Courtney, we can't bring our horse up here. Our horses are not allowed.
So we're heading to Fairy Falls next, which actually isn't on any of this signage. But we're heading west from Waterfalls, and it should be along the trail. I have a GPS map just in case. So every waterfall we come to, I try to get some Instagram video to add to the Stream in Life channel, not live feed, what do they call it? Story, that. So check out the Stream in Life story for video of every waterfall. And then you can check out a Stream in Life Instagram for my shots, and for the really good professional photography, check out Steve's Full-Time Explorer Instagram.
That was a pretty good plug there, Courtney. Love it. You may have noticed over the last couple of videos that I have what I like to call the sweat gene, where it doesn't take long for me to start sweating profusely. It's probably 60, 61, 62, overcast, so very cool and comfortable. But with this humidity and all these switchbacks, man, I sweat like a pig in short order. The what?
Waukena Creek.
Waukena Creek.
I love this brand.
Remember the Friday favorite about the waterproof hiking boots? We'll link you to it at the top. This is why. It's so much fun in this thing. That's it for this hike. You just told me we ascended 840 feet in how long?
1.36 miles.
1.36 miles. Like a boss.
This trail keeps going. Actually, it connects up to Multnomah Falls. So you could do a big loop, but we did Multnomah Falls already, and we want to head to La Tourelle and do La Tourelle Falls, which is another like 2-ish mile hike. So we gotta get going.
What's the ascent?
To La Tourelle, I don't know. We'll find out.
It's probably going to be similar to this. We skipped this viewpoint on the way out, but on the way back, we're going to hit it.
Yeah.
Well, this is different.
Pretty.
Hey, look, a trailer. We're at La Tourelle Falls?
La Tourelle?
La Tourelle
I'm guessing.
Falls. An obligatory Instagram shot? Video. This is Upper La Tourelle Falls.
Which we didn't know was here, so we thought we were just doing a big loop for nothing. Ta-da!
Wow. Well, I'm glad we kept doing it. This waterfall, by the way, that we didn't know existed, gives us an even dozen waterfalls in the last 3 full days. We did 1 waterfall the day we got here, but really 3 full days, 12 waterfalls. I gotta admit, I was a little bummed with this hike before because I thought we were just hiking this huge loop around the waterfalls and we're not really gonna see anything until we get back to the waterfall that we started at. So I figured this was just for exercise, but all these waterfalls we've been seeing, I expect to see something if I exert the effort on a trail. So that was awesome because we didn't know that existed for whatever reason, but it did. Awesome waterfall. You could walk behind it, kind of make your own trail. And yeah, that was awesome. That was a good find. Well, we're back at the parking lot, but we're gonna go down, see if we can get to the base of these falls.
Lower Lotterell Falls.
We made it! We're back in the car and we're heading back to the Airstream. I think we got 12 waterfalls under our belts. So we're gonna head back. We're gonna add up our stats for the week and well, get some groceries and stuff because we're leaving tomorrow. So what a whirlwind 3 days here in the Columbia River Gorge.
It's fun. More waterfalls than ever and so pretty, and I love it here. I was telling Steve we need to come back, stay 2 weeks. See all these again, slightly less frantic pace.
Maybe in the fall when the leaves are changing colors. Ooh. Time to go check out another brewery, this time Full Sail Brewing in Hood River.
2 hours? Just to be unsafe?
Yeah, you can do 2 hours. I'm sure if you've been watching our videos the last couple days, you would think that all we do is hike and drink. Well, sometimes we do, but not all the time. Yes, we sleep too.
So we added up our stats on the last 3 days of our waterfall hiking. We hiked a total of 18.4 miles, climbed just over 4,000 feet, 4,084 feet, to be exact. And we're on our hikes for just under 9 hours, of which 7.5 of those we were actually hiking. And that gives us 12 waterfalls in 3 days. Awesome.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
That was fun.
It was a good 3 days.
Lots of fun.
Now we move on. Though we will be back to the Columbia River Gorge because we loved it here and there is so much more we could see. We only skimmed the surface.
It's awesome. Thank you, Courtney. Tomorrow we are on our way to another casino. We'll see what kind of free stuff they have inside, like coffee and soft drinks and things like that. The last one had all that good stuff. Even hot chocolate. So we'll see what happens. It's supposed to be hot the next like week and a half, close to that. So once again, we've been forced to hook up because we can't run the AC on our battery system. So that's okay. We'll spend a little bit more in the summer and we'll spend a little bit less, hopefully, in the winter time. So that's it. We will see you, I don't know, in Eastern Oregon somewhere?
Or Idaho.
Or Idaho. Bye.